I'm Michaela, I'm Chief Executive of Toppers Nails Limited, and I'm here today just to tell you a little bit about our brand. Toppers are universal gel polish top coats. They are designed to be compatible with superb chemistry, with regular nail varnish and gel polishes as well. They are compatible with all gel polish brands, which means that no matter what brand of nail polish or gel polish that you use in your salon, you can use a Toppers universal gel polish top coat to go with it. The fantastic thing about Toppers is that we have a range of glitters, shimmers and polka dots, and these sit beautifully on top of any of the colours that you choose to offer your clients. Toppers are no-wipe gel polish top coats. They are really easy to apply, they're fast, and the transformations that you get from them are absolutely stunning. We have nail technicians and their clients up and down the land absolutely loving the Toppers and the effects that they're getting from their treatments and their manicures. So apart from the finishes, the simplicity, the speed, and the fact that Toppers are completely cruelty-free and vegan products, the most amazing thing about Toppers is that it enables you to multiply, not just add, multiply the number of manicures that you can achieve from the number of polishes that you've got. So we've taken here 20 regular colours. They can be, as I say, nail varnish or gel polish. We've taken a typical 20 selection. We've added our 20 top coats to that, and as you can see here, all of these nail wheels, and you really need to get close up to look at the fabulous finishes. All of these nail wheels have been prepared just from these 20 top coats and 20 colours. Transform reds into beautiful golds, silvers, polka dots and anything you like. What a great addition to your service. So thank you for listening. As I say, I'm Michaela, Chief Exec of Toppers Nails. Thank you.